Hey guys, welcome back for some more beauty. Alrighty guys, so in today's video, we finally have our Magic Star concealers. And I bought the Magic Star translucent powder as well. So I'm super excited to test out these products and do an unboxing. I already kind of opened them up because I was like way too excited to not on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, please do so. The link will be in the description box below. So let's get started. So the colors I got here, I got 4 of them because I wasn't too sure on my shade, so I got like 2 colors for it. I got the peach concealer. I also got C0, so that I can do some highlighting. So I got C7 and I got C13. For the packaging, you can kind of see that it's like super holographic, really cool, fun pink color. And I also got the translucent powder. I haven't tried these out quite yet, so this is basically like my first impression. I'm going to open the boxes for you guys again if you're following me on Instagram. This is basically what the packaging looks like. If you folks at home watched Sailor Moon, this I guess was inspired by that. I think the packaging is really cute and really fun and I like it a lot. This is the packaging for his powders. It looks really cute. It has that Jeffree Star logo on it. On his website, the concealers as well as the translucent powders cost $22, which is not bad considering, it's a pretty full-sized bottle. Like my Fenty Beauty concealer, I believe I bought it for like $24. So it's not too bad price-wise, but it's no, drugstore brand. What I really like about the concealers too is that it has that teardrop shape, so you're able to get into the inner corners of your eyes as well. So I swatched the concealers on the back of my hand. The first one is the peach color, the second one is C0, the third one is C13, and C7 is the one at the bottom. I think for today's video we can let's try out C7 in this video. I want a really snatched, highlighted look. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so I am gonna do my brows and then I'll be right back. So, as you guys can see, I did my eyes off camera and they look amazing. So all of the products that I used will be listed in the description box down below. So I did use C0 for my cut crease, and I just have to say, like, I'm speechless. The way that the color is super pigmented and it's settled down very nicely, and as you can see, it looks pretty darn good if I do say so myself. So now I'm gonna be doing the rest of my face. So I already have my primer on. So what I'm gonna do is take the peach concealer and cover underneath my dark circles and in my dark spots areas. As you can see, I have a ton of dark spots. So let's see how this works. In Jeffree Star's video, he was able to cover pretty much everything and he didn't have to like dip it back into his concealer. So far, I like it. So it does give a lot of product and I like that. I did have to dip it back in once, but I have a lot of face. I have a big face. Gotta do what you do, I'm gonna take my damp Morphe sponge and I'm gonna blend everything out. So my face looks nice and concealed. I don't normally use like a peach or red tone concealer to cover up my dark spots. I don't know, I just never tried it out, but it's pretty good. I kind of like it. My skin looks pretty pale on camera right now, but in person it doesn't look too shabby. So my face is nice concealed. Like I was saying, you know, I don't normally wear like a dark spot corrector. I probably should, but you know, I was just kind of holding out for Jeffree Stars and I like it so far. It's not too bad. I had some concerns because like the color was like a light peachy tone color, but looking at it now, I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. So next I'm going to apply my foundation like I do normally. Today I'm going to be using one of my favorite foundations, which is the It Cosmetics CC Cream Full Coverage Foundation. I don't know. I really like it because I have eczema, so I tend to get super dry and super oily skin. And this is definitely full coverage, so I really like this foundation. Like I said, you know, everything that I use in this video will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of my foundation on. So now it is time to finally try out my concealer. So I'm going to be using C7 in this video. Again, this is gonna be a lighter color for my underneath right over here. Hopefully it looks really good. I have high hopes for this concealer, especially since I do love me some Jeffree Star. So I am going to conceal underneath my eyes and around my face. You'll see everything in just a minute. So here we go, guys. So, thoughts. I really like it. The application, everything went on pretty smooth. In the monitor, my face looks like super blurred out. Like you really can't see my pores anymore, which is fantastic, you know. You don't want to see anything I don't want to show. In person, I really like it. It looks really cute, you know, and this is like just the concealer. I haven't even set it down with powder or anything like that, but so far we looking snatched, you know. Now with my damp Morphe sponge again, I'm going to take his translucent powder and I'm gonna turn it and put some to on the bottom of the, like where the lid is. Tap it out. So here we go. I have it. Give it a nice little, and here we go. So honestly, like first thoughts right away when I'm dipping my Morphe sponge in it, the powder, the powder is like super fine. I don't know if you guys have tried or felt, I think it's the Hourglass translucent powder. Like if the Hourglass translucent powder was like fine, like this is fine. You know what I mean? Like, how do I describe it? So you know when you sift your flour, that's how fine it is. Honestly, this powder is like super fine. Like even touching it in my hands a little bit, holy moly. So I'm gonna leave this on my face for like a few seconds and then I'll brush it off. Okay, so it's been like a minute or so, and now I'm going to dust off my translucent powder from my face because I think I'm done baking. We might be a little over baked, but you know, whatever. Okay. I mean, she looking cute or whatever. She looking a little flawless. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm kind of feeling myself. She's a little flawless. She's a little shooketh. I mean, honestly, like, my face looks pale a little bit in the camera, but in person, I'm not so pale. But you know, that's just the tea. That is just the life of a beautuber. Am I right, ladies and gents? Am I right? So now I'm going to do some bronzer, a little blush, a little highlighter. You know, we're gonna get real fancy with it, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, everyone. So here are my final thoughts. All in all, I think the packaging is 10 out of 10. True blue to Jeffree Star style. I think that the quality of the product is absolutely amazing, and I really like it. Again, his concealers as well as his translucent powders retail for $22. You can buy it on the Jeffree Star website, his website, and you can also buy it at the Morphe store. Okay, so I was roaming around and hanging out with some friends, and I've had my makeup on since, I want to say like around 9 o'clock this morning. So I just want to give you guys a closer look at my skin. I have a tendency to be on the oilier side. Usually it's like my nose, but you can see how the concealer has held up all day for like 10 hours. The longevity of the Jeffree Star concealers is pretty fantastic, I have to say. Usually, like I said, like my T-zone gets super oily. So consider me impressed. Also, side note, the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, I didn't know that if you press your lips together for this color, it's gonna turn out like this. Hello. I mean, come on. I didn't know that. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all liked it. And I suggest maybe picking up a Jeffree Star concealer today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do post new videos every single Friday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.